I'm really nervous, but okay, I'll record myself opening it. It's wrapped. Look, there's wrapping paper. Okay, let me open the card first. Aw. No admittance except on party business. Oh, that's so cool. Andy, the fellowship on the Discord server. I'd like to extend so much gratitude or thank you so much for putting together this amazing project that is encouraging joy, creativity, and Lord of the Rings fandom through the sublime magic of creating animation with hand-drawn flipbooks. And thank you for the opportunity to work on a project dear to our hearts and also help us reach some of our artistic Smeagol's this year. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, thanks, guys. All right, let us see what this is. Oh, what? What the heck? Horn of Gondor. Andy, you sounded the Horn of Gondor, and we came running, flipbooks in hand. Thanks for summoning this fellowship of animators together to lovingly recreate Peter Jackson's epic one frame at a time. Sound the horn again whenever you need us. We will go with you till the end. The fellowship. This is so cool. Dang, you guys. This is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Man, you guys are so nice. This is awesome. Oh, this is so, man, this is so perfect. This is incredible. Wow. This is like really amazing. Oh, this is like to put it up on the wall. That is cool. Horn of Gondor, Certificate of Authenticity. It's fashioned by the Vorondil, the hunter, from a tusk Pine of Ara in the days of Middle Earth. This authentically detailed horn replica is a reproduction of the actual filming prop built by Weta Workshop. The production designer Alan Lee, and the prop was built by the Lord of the Rings. This is so cool. All right. I might fail miserably here.
The Horn of Gondor.
No one's going to answer that call. I don't think that's quite what it's supposed to sound like. Gosh, dang it. Rowan, you want to come try this? I wanted to just have it bellow out.
Wait, can I
Most
try
beautiful.
it?
Yeah, you want to try it? Oh, nice!
Hold on.
That was good. All right, I'm going to keep trying this till I get it. Yes!
The Horn of Gondor.
You guys are amazing.